Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today I will provide you the next AMA code, and if you apply the correct code you will get 2000 gems free. First of all, click on missions. Now click on next campaign. Little scroll down. Here you see event option. Click on it. Now click on enter code. Here you apply code. I will provide you all capital letters NEXSNEA. So the correct code is NEXSNEA and all capital letters. After this, click on next button. Here you see I earn 2000 gems as a correct code. Hopefully you enjoying the video. Kindly like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.